And to graph, I'm going to choose the two easiest inputs. So I've got my height as my input, and we're going to get temperature out. So I'm going to plug in 0 and 1. You could plug in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any of these points are totally acceptable, but let's use the easiest ones. So when I plug in a height of 0, my temperature is going to be -5 times 0 plus 45. And when I plug in 1, it's going to be -5 times 1 plus 45. Cancels, so that equals 45, which means at a height of 0, I'm at 45 degrees. And then when I plug in 1, I get -5 plus 45, which equals 40. So when I plugged in 1, I got out 40. Let's go ahead and graph. 0, 45, 1, 40, and graph. Check my plotting here. It's supposed to be decreasing. This is decreasing. Everything looks good. Now remember, if you have difficult coordinates, these are pretty easy because they fell right on the crosshairs. But you do have this button that you can click on and type in the numbers that you want it to. I think I actually wrote up the whole thing. Yeah, there it is. Okay. You click on it, type in the coordinate, and then click plot point, and Alex will plot it for you. Number 15. A construction crew is lengthening a road. Oh, actually, go ahead and take a second and read it. I won't read it to you. Okay, so this road started with a length of 51 miles. So when I see the word started, that makes me think y-intercept. And then I'm adding 4 miles each day. That immediately, that word each, remember from our notes before, this is my slope. Again, we're not using x and y, we're using L and D. So the length of the road depends on the number of days. So my y value is L, and my x values are going to be capital D. Remember, uppercase matters. So, and then I want to find out, let's see, what do I find out? Oh, total length after 39 days. But first we need the equation. So my equation. Length of the road equals 4 miles every day with a starting length of 51 miles. And now I want to know, what is the length of the road after 39 days? Well, days is an x value. That spells value. So I'm plugging it in for D. You can use your calculators. And my total length is 207 miles. Okay, great job, guys. If you need to re-watch any of these questions, feel free to rewind. And as always, if you have any questions that I did not answer in the notes, please send me a message on mind. Have a good one, everybody.